welcome to Chigwindiri Intermediate. I hope you're all as excited as I am. I hope my voice sounds excited. It's pretty cold out here. It's in the middle of winter. So yeah, you know how it is. Let's get to it. So our intermediate song on Chigwindiri, the pattern starts from, again, 5 and 11, but we'll be splitting this time and adding number 1. So from 5 and 11, and then that's 5 and 13, and then we add 1 again. So 5 and 11, we split 5 and 11, and then we make a chord of 1 and 11, and then we split 13, 5, and then we add 1. Right? So I'm gonna play it again. Right? So the same pattern that you played 5, 11, and 1 at the beginning is the same pattern that you're gonna play after playing 13, 5, and 1. Like this. Sorry. And then you come back here. But this time we want to finish it. You're now playing. You remain on 11, and then play your 3, and then add your 1. Right? You play a chord as well of 1 and 11. Right? So seconds and try and play along with me. There we go. Alright, so our next step, we're going to be introducing cha chaka 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 cha chaka chaka slowly. At first we're playing like this. It's remaining like that. It's only that we're adding an extra knot at the end. That's what's up. So you see, the moment you start adding this, it brings this awesome vibe to the song. Now imagine you have the beginner playing the basic pattern, and then you're playing the intermediate pattern, and then we're having the advanced pattern where we're having the kushaura patterns, and how somebody is going to be leading the whole song so that it sounds as cool as it is supposed to. Alright, thank you so much, guys. Feel free to rewind this video as much as possible, get to learn, and I'll be really happy if you share with me videos of yourselves playing these instruments. Thank you so much for joining me on my